A Bidet seat replaces your existing toilet seat and connects to the water supply line. No plumber required in most cases. The difference between models comes down to water heating method, nozzle quality, and which comfort features are included. In this video, we cover 5 of the best electric bidet seats currently available on Amazon. 1. Alpha Bidet JX2. The Alpha Bidet JX2 has been named Best Overall Bidet Seat by CNN, underscored for 5 consecutive years, from 2021 through 2025, outranking TOTO, Brondell, and BioBidet in that evaluation each time. The water heating system is tankless, meaning it heats water on demand rather than storing a fixed volume in a reservoir. A tank-type bidet runs out of warm water mid-wash if the tank empties. The JX2 delivers continuous warm water for as long as the wash runs, and at the exact temperature set by the user. The tankless design also uses up to 40% less electricity than tank-type alternatives by eliminating the energy cost of keeping stored water warm between uses. The stainless steel self-cleaning nozzle retracts fully under the seat between uses and mists with water before and after each wash cycle. A bowl mist function wets the bowl interior before use, which reduces waste adhesion and keeps the bowl cleaner between scrubbing sessions. The wireless remote is wall-mountable. The lid is fully sittable and rated to 300 pounds. The ultra-slim seat profile fits most standard elongated toilet bowls without clearance issues. The 3-year warranty covers 100% of parts and labor, one of the most comprehensive warranty terms available on any bidet seat at this price. This is the right choice for most homeowners buying a bidet seat for the first time who want a fully featured, award-recognized unit with strong warranty backing. 2. TOTO WASHLET S7A. The TOTO WASHLET S7A is TOTO's current flagship bidet seat, the successor to the S550E, and it includes 2 features that no other seat on this list offers: e-water, plus automatic bowl misting, and a seamless seat design that eliminates the dirt collecting gap found on conventional bidet seats. e-water Plus is electrolyzed water, water treated with a mild electrical current that gives it mild antimicrobial properties. The S7A automatically mists the bowl interior with e-water Plus before each use and after the seat has been vacant for a set period, reducing bacterial buildup on the bowl surface without requiring any cleaning product from the user. The wand is also misted with e-water Plus before and after every wash cycle. The seamless seat design removes the joint line where the seat meets the body of the unit, a gap present on most bidet seats where moisture, hair, and debris collect over time. Eliminating that joint makes the seat surface significantly easier to wipe clean. The lid opens and closes automatically when the user approaches and leaves the toilet using a proximity sensor. 5 spray modes cover rear wash, front wash, oscillating wash, pulsating wash, and soft rear wash, each with 5 pressure settings and 5 temperature settings. The warm air dryer has 5 temperature settings. A 4-user memory remote stores individual preferences. The unit sits at just 4.1 inches in rear height, among the slimmest flagship bidet seats currently available. This is the right pick for homeowners who want TOTO's most advanced seat with automated bowl hygiene and a no-gap seat surface. 3. Brondell Swash 1400. The Brondell Swash 1400 was named Best Overall Bidet Seat by Reviewed.com after direct testing against competing models, and it earns that recognition through a combination of dual stainless steel nozzles and the widest range of adjustable settings of any seat at this price point. Most bidet seats at this price use a single plastic nozzle that serves both rear and front wash functions by adjusting its position. The Swash 1400 uses 2 separate stainless steel nozzles, one dedicated to rear wash and one to front wash, positioned independently. Stainless steel resists mineral deposit buildup and bacterial adhesion more effectively than plastic over years of daily use, as dedicated nozzles for each function reduce cross-contamination risk between wash modes. The Nozzle Clean Plus nanotechnology treatment on the nozzle surfaces provides an additional antimicrobial barrier between wash cycles. Both nozzles retract fully under the seat guard when not in use. Water temperature, pressure, nozzle position, spray width, oscillation, and dryer temperature are all independently adjustable across 4 to 5 settings each. The replaceable activated carbon deodorizer neutralizes odors at the source rather than masking them with fragrance. 2 user memory presets store individual preferences for households with multiple regular users. The sittable lid is rated to 270 pounds. A blue LED nightlight illuminates the bowl in low light conditions. 3-year warranty. Brondell has manufactured bidet products since 2003, as this is the right pick for homeowners who want dual stainless steel nozzles, maximum adjustability, and strong independent review backing at a mid-range price. 4. TOTO WASHLET C5. The TOTO WASHLET C5 is the most accessible entry point into TOTO's core WASHLET technology on Amazon, and it includes the two features that define the WASHLET line: premised bowl pre-wetting and e-water plus wand self-cleaning. At a lower price than the S7A, premised automatically wets the bowl interior with a fine mist before each use. A wet porcelain surface is significantly less likely to retain waste than a dry one, which reduces the frequency of manual bowl cleaning required to maintain a clean appearance. That function alone addresses one of the most common daily frustrations with standard toilet maintenance. As the e-water plus system mists the wand with electrolyzed water before and after every wash cycle, cleaning the nozzle surface automatically without requiring the user to activate a manual wand clean. Both premised and e-water plus operate without any input from the user once the seat is installed and configured. The wash system offers front and rear warm water washing with 5 pressure settings and 3 temperature settings for each. Oscillating wash mode moves the nozzle back and forth across a wider area rather than staying fixed at one point, covering more surface area per wash cycle. The heated seat has 5 temperature settings. The warm air dryer has 3 settings. An automatic air deodorizer activates during use. The wireless remote is wall mountable. This is the right pick for TOTO toilet owners who want the premised and e-water plus features at the lowest TOTO price point on Amazon. 5. SmartBidet SB-1000WE. The SmartBidet SB-1000WE is one of the highest reviewed entry-level electric bidet seats on Amazon, consistently rated 4.5 stars or above across thousands of verified purchases, and it covers every core bidet function at the lowest price on this list. The seat includes posterior wash, feminine wash, turbo wash for a more forceful rinse, and oscillating wash, 4 distinct wash modes covering the full range of daily use. Water pressure is adjustable across 5 levels, water temperature across 4 levels, and nozzle position across 5 settings. That degree of adjustability is unusual at this price and allows each user to find a comfortable combination without compromise, as the 3-in-1 self-cleaning nozzle handles all wash functions from a single retractable unit. While a single plastic nozzle is less durable than the dual stainless steel setup on the Brondell Swash 1400, it is fully functional for daily household use and self-cleans before and after each wash cycle. The heated seat has 5 temperature levels. The warm air dryer operates across 5 levels. A slow close lid prevents the seat from slamming. Energy saving mode reduces power consumption during periods of low use. The wireless remote includes a wall mount bracket. All installation hardware is included, and the seat fits standard elongated bowls. Manufactured in South Korea and distributed in North America by Hitron Solutions. This is the right starting point for a first-time bidet seat buyer, or any household where keeping the total cost of the upgrade as low as possible is the priority.